I'm Father Leo of GraceBeforeMeals.com. I've written several books, but the one that I want to tell you about right now is called Grace Before Meals, Recipes and Inspiration for Family Meals and Family Life. And while it might sound corny that a priest wrote a cookbook, I got to tell you, this helps so many families get back to the dinner table, because that's where you are supposed to celebrate the communion as a family. Because guess what? At Mass, you celebrate around a dinner table the Holy Communion with God. With a whole bunch of different chapters to bring back feast days, this will also engage your family to encourage conversations, and there are even award-winning recipes in here. And as one mother said, the recipes are so awesome, she only had one critique. The portions were wrong. Her kids ate way more than the book recommended, but she said the best part about this was that we didn't have to wait for a holiday. We created one. So make sure you bring God to the table with Grace Before Meals.